Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the products that I received in this month's Boxycharm. I'm not really feeling this makeup look at all. If you guys would like to know why I'm not feeling this makeup look, make sure that you keep on watching. I know that it's been a while since I've done one of these, but I received my Boxycharm 2 days ago in the mail, or was it yesterday? Yesterday in the mail. And I'm gonna go ahead and unbox for you guys and see the products that I received, and of course try out the products as well. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this month is totally, it just says totally. Normally it has like something, but this one just says totally Boxycharm. And of course we have a little paper that says the products that we received and how much each product costs. So the first thing that I have is Glass Skin Refining Serum, and this is the Peach Extract Peptide Complex. So this product retails for $39, and it says that this is silky, weightless, and instantly absorbing. This serum helps hydrate, calm, brighten, and firm, developing more dramatic results with continued use. Okay, let me go ahead and open it up. And it's by the name of the brand is Peach and Lily. I wonder, patented clean dry skin can be used AM and PM. So this is just like a daily serum. So that's one product. By the way, I love when I've received skincare products, so I definitely will be trying this out. The next product is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. And this product retails for $42. So it says this multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. This lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. Okay. Next, this is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresher Powder. This product retails for $39. This weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth and visible finish. So, let's see. And I'm guessing that mine is golden bronze. Let me open it up. Okay, now to set my face with, this is kind of dark if you guys can see it. Yeah, this is pretty dark. I can't like set my under eye like with my concealer because this is just too dark, but I guess I could set my entire face with this. We'll give it a try. Did I say how much it cost? This product was $39. Next, we received the Steve Laurent. What is this? Steve Laurent. Reshape, resize, and define your pout. This lip pencil is total magic. Okay, so this is just a lip pencil. Retails for $15. And then we have the Ace Beauty Glimmer Eyeshadow, or Glimmer Shadow. And we received 2 of them. So I have like this purple one and like, I don't know if this is silver or like a greenish, but I will definitely swatch for you guys. It says it's a high pigmented soft shadow with a creamy texture, specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. So these are $25. I don't know if you get $25 for 2 or if it's $25 for 1. I really don't know. So those are the products that we received in this month's Boxycharm. Not really feeling it, to be honest, but I am going to use the products out. So let's go ahead and test out the products. So to start off, I guess I'm going to try the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. I wonder if I can use this as a primer. I feel like I should be able to. Okay, so this feels a little tacky, just like a tad bit. So I feel like this would be good for primer. Alright, next let's go ahead and move into the eyes. So I will be using these glimmer shadows. So let me go ahead and swatch them for you guys. So the first one I'm going to swatch is French Vanilla, and this is how it looks. If my camera will focus. There we go. This is French Vanilla. I really don't like these kind of shadows. It's like very, very icy, and I feel like that just doesn't look well on my skin tone, but I will try to find a way to incorporate this in the eyeshadow look. The next one is called Huckleberry, and Huckleberry looks like this. It's a very pretty purple. Okay, and this is Huckleberry. Alright, so obviously I'm going to need to start off with some kind of transition color. I cannot just go in with these shadows on my eyes. So I'm going to have to use another palette to achieve a look. Alright, for a transition shade, I'm going to go into my Ace Beauty palette. This is the Grandiose palette, one of my favorite palettes. I'm going to be taking the shade Cinnamon right here to use as my transition shade. Next, I'm going to go into the Butter London palette, and I'm going to be taking, this is the Natural Goddess palette, and I've never used this palette before. This is a pretty palette. I'm going to be taking this dark brown. This is the shade Temptress. I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and I'm going to be applying that in my crease. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with this purple shade Huckleberry, and I'm going to be applying that on my lid. I'm not sure if I want to do a cut crease. I think that I will do a cut crease. Yeah, let me go ahead and cut my lid. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add the purple shade on top. And it says that it does not have fallout, so let's see. And that's a lie because it's already in my lashes. I feel like this probably applies better if you use your finger, because it's really not giving me much with this brush. Alright, let me try applying this with my finger. I don't know how I'm feeling about this. This isn't friendly for people that have long nails. I don't know if it's a concealer or what, but this just feels, it's just not going on smoothly at all. I definitely cannot use my nails to get into the inner corner, so I'm gonna have to try to do my best with using this brush. Okay, so this is the best I can do with getting this on my lids. Yeah, this is the best that I can do. I'm not gonna continue to force it. So what I decided to do with this French vanilla shade, I'm just gonna like pop it just in the center of my eye. Like a halo type of thing. This is literally a fail. Like this doesn't look good at all. Let's just be real. Like this doesn't look good. These Ace Beauty glimmer shadows is a no-go. I do not recommend getting these, and it's crazy because I just used my favorite palette by them, the Grandiose palette, but this, no, I don't know what's wrong with the formula, but it's a no. It's a super no. I got stuff on my face. Yeah, so this doesn't turn out well at all. I don't know if you guys can tell, but in person this looks a hot mess. But let's just go ahead and finish the makeup. So for foundation, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Super Stay foundation, and I'm gonna be taking shade Mocha. Actually, I'll take that back. I'm gonna take my Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Longwear foundation and concealer. This is in the shade DN5. So let's go ahead and use that for foundation. For concealer, I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is in the shade Chestnut. I'm going to set my under eye using the Calyx Cosmetics setting powder. I'm also going to be setting around my mouth. I've noticed that this part gets very, very oily, so I have to really set around my mouth. While this is baking, I'm going to go ahead and contour using my Pure Sculptor Highlight and Contour Palette. And I'm going to be taking this one right here, which is Inventor. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and dust off with setting powder. Next, I'm going to try out this Becca powder, and I'm going to be setting my face with this. Okay, besides making a mess of my shirt. I guess I like this powder. I wouldn't really know until I actually, you know, have it on to see if it keeps me matte, but so far so good. I feel like I have a lot of powder on my face right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a mist with my Morphe setting spray. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up my face and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final look. So my thoughts about this month's Boxycharm, I was not impressed at all. The only product that I was really excited about was the, what was it? Was the Glass Skin Refining Serum. And I guess the hydrating oil, the illuminating oil, that was okay. But everything else, I don't really care for. Now that I'm looking at my face, like close up, this powder is actually pretty good. But I'm really disappointed when it came to those glimmer shadows. I feel like that was like the main thing that I could really use. And I just did not like the way they looked at all. Like, I'm really not feeling this makeup look. But I did want to get a video out showing you guys what we received. So like I said, this box gets a thumb down for me because I did not enjoy it. This has been a while since I've had a box that I really didn't like. So that's kind of disappointing. But I did get all those products for basically $21, so I guess there's really nothing to complain about. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure that you comment down below. Comment down below and let me know if you guys like this makeup look, and if you don't like it, because I don't. So if you say you don't like it, trust me, I feel you. So yeah, like I said, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, comment, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, and I will see you guys in my next video.